And this is what it sounds like in my neck of the woods. In the morning, sitting at the picnic table, enjoying the kitty cats. Hi, Sadie Bird. Lewis, Lewis, are you gonna look at me? I knew you would. Yes, there's many more kitties, but I think they're elsewhere catching mice. And we have Titus and his shade. He's all set for the day. We have little Miss Molly Natchet under her umbrella, and she's set for the day. And of course, we got Miss Pumpkin at the other umbrella, Miss Sassafras on the porch, and they are set for the day. And Lewis, he wants to try and help me record, but he's no good at it. He hears the bird. Well, y'all have a great day. All I can say is this is the sights and sounds of what I get to wake up to every day. And I thank God for it, and Jim Marshall. So I hope y'all have a great day. Love to ya. From Morrow County to you, wherever you may be. Peace out.